are today at the Honley show with RRG Toyota displaying the GR range. Here we have, as part of the GR range, the GR86, the GR Supra and the GR Yaris. This is the GR range, Toyota's performance range. This is the Toyota GR Supra. It has a 3-litre turbo engine. Wow! This is the Toyota GR Yaris. What a beast! If you're looking for a compact SUV, the Toyota Yaris Cross is perfect for you. Or something smaller, the all-new Aygo Cross. And this is the future, the all-electric, all-new Toyota BZ4X. When it comes to work, Toyota have all of your business needs covered. They've even got electric vans. And the ultimate Toyota Hilux pickup. There's room for all the family and the sheep. Come on, let's go do some farming. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you need any advice on cars, come see the lovely people at RRG Toyota.
So here I am with our star presenter, who I am going to beat on the Commando racetrack.
You're not going to beat me.
You say go! You can't get up there!
You like to drink of all the tea. All the girls have got a British Here we go, well done. Right, now it's time for the bit of fun.
Oh,
Now I want you to listen carefully to this.
lots of sweat on. Oh.
Does anybody think they're a fast runner? Does anybody else
I might as well wait for him.
think they're a fast runner? So what we're going to do, I'm going to look at this normal jump. Anybody else think they can fly?
Kids have caught me up.
Come fly. Let's make a line over here. Let's make a racing start line. And there we go.
Did I tell you I was a commando? Oh. You made it! Here he is, Commando presenter.